battle for third. Giwan versus Marabot. The East of Balanhiga, Eastern Samar. Let's go, first quarter.
Marabot 15, 2 ka 16, 34, 14, and 06. G1, 21, 3, 15, 36, and 23. Hindi sa 23. 13 the floor, Piano, Ridiri,
Loyola,
Patrico.
wearing number 23 of Giwan.
Jump
Number 34 of
ball
Marabot.
between number 23 and number 34.
Let's go. First quarter.
Adin Silpon nga nahulog. Ege puli nang ngaran mo guys.
Giwan, wearing number
Dali na
15.
yung ngaran. Ha?
Kultura. Tip ng maagaw.
Siyak lang. 15.
Dagsa. Yes, for 2 by Dagsa.
George Pinitiya. Kuha ini mga yan mga sulpon ang kipad. Okay. Kasabot ang publiko. Number 15, tuloy-tuloy sa loob, sumalaksak, pasok.
Orto. Very jump.
Usa nga serbisyo publiko, aring silpon nga napurutan din aton mabuting mamamayan ng Balanhiga. Pull-up jumper, Marabot, Walaya, offensive rebound number 6. 10, pula, Ponidad, and Pochirin. Number 26 to number 32, 15 seconds to shoot. To number 26, right side of the play. 10 to shoot. Number 23, sumalaksak, kanya papasok na doon ang bola. Number 14, reaching the floor. Blind pass to number 3, intercepted by number 26. Ball recovered by number 26, number 16 brother.
Nice assist.
2-pointers by number 16. Score, within the floor, number 26 to number 21. Right quarter court, back to number 26, top of the field. 10 seconds to shoot. To number
Acosta.
21.
Jump ball.
There's a whistle. Up, missing the mark. For a follow-up number 16, tapos din. May agawan ng Boko. Number 21, may tangan ng bola. Binigay kay number 26. Number 26. Nakuha ni number 23. Third over.
Jack, no?
3 against 1.
Inaliwa.
Number 15. Score. Size 4. Marabot. Number 26. To number 21. Sumalaksak. Pinakalis. Sinilit ba? 34 to number 6. Back to number 14 rather. Number 34, pumukol ng 3, hindi papasok, may gawa ng rebound, mapupunta sa kamay ni number 14. Pull-up jumper number 6, air ball. Forward back by number 15 of Marabot. Number 3, mabubututan yan. Mawawala ng bola, tuluyang nawala. Number 14 nakakuha, 2 against 1. Winakali, hindi pumasok. Binigay kay number 16, pull up, jumper, yan. 26. To number 15, pumukol ng trace. Hindi papasok. Number 16, hold down the rebound. To number 6, crossing the midcourt. Number 6 against number 21. Foul line jumper. Pasok. To number 23. Back to number 26. Sumalaksak sa receiving. To number 3. Zapis to number 26 pa rin. Ay, number 3 rather. May basket, may pito, may free throw line sa number 3 to complete. Okay. Hindi na complete ang 12. Marabot ba ito? Number 14. From the top of the keyhole to number 16. Left quarter court. Back to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14 sa may mid-post of the glass. No sir. Magagawa ng bola. Double foul ang tinawag ni Referee Pachico against number 6 of Marabot and 15 of Giwan. Ball position G1. 23, packet pass to number 34. Sumo shot, pasok. Number 16, muntik ng maagawan. Number 16, salaksak sa loob. Tight in there. Number 23, hacking foul. Foul G1.
Substitution. Heroy in.
Number 23, inbounding from the baseline to number 16, back to number 23, pull it up, set it up, Panto strong. Number 26, nakakuha ng rebound to number 23. May tangan ng bola sa number 21, pasalaksak, hindi papasok, number 5, ball on the rebound. Ball intercepted by D1 to number 21, foul on jumper, pasok yan. 14-12, D1 by 2. 3 minutes, 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 6 shot by number 12. 10 in and out. Rebound number 23. Number 23. Sumalaksak. Si number 15. Pasok. 30 seconds. First quarter tayo. Number 23. 15 seconds to shoot. Pasa sa loob ng number 16. Ililabas. To number 16, under number 16, sasalaksak. Tumira, hindi ang papasok. May agawa ng rebound. May pito sa referee Quijano. May foul na tatawagin laban kay number 5. 34. Number 34.
Time out, marabot.
Ngadi. Kipad, yung cellphone na kipad. Basta mga kipad, kanan mga uyab, siguro ito. Number 14 to number 23, back to number 14, matagituhan. Matatawagan ng traveling bayan. Tumawa pa, tumalaksak sa loob. Diretso sa basket, hindi pumasok pero na-follow up si number 23. 14-16, number 12 to number 26. 14 seconds to shoot. Ball intercepted by number 16. Tuloy-tuloy sa loob para itabla ang score. Number 15 to number 21, Giban Buple, good ba that point? May agawan sa rebound, naputbak ng Giwan, hindi pa rin, another miss. Number 23, recovered the ball for Marabot to number 14 against number 25. Number 14 pa rin, ball goes out of bounds in Tiburab. Marabot.
Substitution. Gagabuan in and Rejang. Out. Arganda in.
Number 16, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Palit, 18 Marabot, 16 Diwan, number 26. Ipinasas na kakampi.
Yes.
Mula sa may baseline, 2-pointers. Number 16, 6 shot 3, let it go and miss the mark. Number 26 to number 55, nagawa ng bola, lalabas ng bola, mapupunta sa G1. Idle block, kipad, pakikadinala, haplasa, mawaray nga ni, 10 to shoot, sumalaksak, Shumoy shot, hindi pumasok, number 23 nagakuha ng rebound. Ibibigay kay number 19 to number 14. Lapas sa kakampi. Drop pass kay number 25 to number 26 to number 34. Sa likod. Mahuli yan. Pero 10 seconds. Warning for penalty Marabot.
Rejang.
10 seconds to shoot.
Loyola.
Number 23, watching inside, a whistle, a foul before the shooting play. cellphone na item, mo di nga niya makuha yan na, kuha na lignukan, Christopher, cellphone, kung may ada na makapanagiya. Damong sa 20 seconds to play. Under a minute to play. Number 16 to number 10. To number 3 points. 20. Number 23, my pick. My tira out the glass. Nice pick. 30 seconds. 21, 23. Shot. Clock 14. Number 10. Pumihit, tumira, hindi pumasok. 15 to shoot. Shot clock is off. May agawa ang bola. Nakuha ni number 3. Sumalaksak. Tuloy-tuloy sa loob. Brains at home. 5 seconds. G1 inbounding from the sideline. Turnover.
That's the end of first quarter between Giwan Padayon and Marabot. Score 25 Marabot, 23 Giwan Padayon. End of first quarter.